Welcome back, everyone. In today's lesson, we are starting our journey into German verbs, one of the most important parts of building your basic communication skills. This video is the first in a short series focused on verbs, and we will begin with the easiest group, regular verbs. You will learn how they work, how to conjugate them, and how to use them in simple sentences. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently form basic statements using regular verbs in German. Let's get started with the Verben or German verbs. What we will learn about the German verbs. Regelmäßige Verben or regular verbs. Then unregelmäßige Verben, irregular verbs. Trennbare Verben, separable verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are words that indicate an activity or action, process, or a state. Structure of verbs. The basic form of the verb is the infinitive form, the form of the verb that is not conjugated by person. For example, in the left part we have infinitive verb, in the right part conjugated. The infinitive is to drink, but conjugated in third person singular, he drinks. Or to play, conjugated, he plays. Every verb consists of two parts, the stem or the root and the ending or the suffix. For example, in the left part we have the verb, in the middle the stem and the suffix or ending in the right. The verb he sleeps, the stem is sleep but the suffix only s. Or he plays, the stem is play and the ending only s. Structure and classification of verbs in the German language. First, we have regular verbs, or in German regelmäßige Verben. Second, irregular or unregelmäßige Verben. And third, separable or trennbare Verben. In German language, the basic form is also called the infinitive of the verb. Infinitive forms of German verbs also consist of two parts, stem plus ending, or suffix. For example, the verb in infinitive trinken, in translation to drink, is consisted from trink, stem, plus n or ending. Haben, to have, hab plus n. Lernen, to learn, lern plus n. Kommen, to come. And wohnen, to live. These are the easiest verbs in German for beginners. Verb conjugation or conjugation of verbs. What does the conjugation of a verb depend on? The type of the verb. Is it regular, irregular, or separable verb? Second, depend on the subject. For example, the person, first, second, or third person, and the number, singular or plural. For example, to drink, the conjugated form or infinitive form, trinken in German. I drink juice in English. Translated into German, ich trinke Saft. Trinke is a conjugated form. He drinks juice. Er trinkt Saft. In this sentence, the conjugated form is trinkt. We are starting with the regular verbs or regelmäßige Verben. What are regular verbs in German language? When conjugating a regular verb, its stem does not change, only the ending or the suffix does. The stem of the verb remains the same in both the infinitive and the conjugated form. For example, the verb in infinitive, kommen, meaning to come, the stem is kom plus the ending is n. But the conjugated form, komme, for example in the first person singular, I come, stem kom plus ending only the letter e. If you want to watch the full version of this lesson, you can find the complete course German A1 Masterclass from 0 to A1 German with all 40 plus lessons on Udemy. The link is in the description below.